Oh, good morning. This is Bruce from Bruce's Outdoors. I'm down here in Florida on Lake Okeechobee. Hoping to go out here and catch some big crappie this morning. This is a boat we're getting ready to go out on. The sun's coming up. It's a beautiful morning out here. Well, we set up here and getting ready to catch some fish this morning. Beautiful day out here.
That gotta be a catfish.
Yep. Mm-hmm. They always do that.
Yellow? No, I ain't caught none yet. Yeah. Okay, keep on sitting. Say bye.